Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the world of baby gear to bring you the ultimate review of the best pack and play on the market, the 4Moms Breeze Plus Portable Playard. If you're a parent or soon-to-be parent, you know the importance of having versatile, easy-to-use baby gear. And that's exactly what the 4Moms Breeze Plus offers. Let's start with setup. Say goodbye to complicated assembly instructions and frustrating moments trying to figure out which piece goes where. With the 4Moms Breeze Plus, setup is a breeze, literally. Thanks to its innovative design, you can set it up with just one hand in a matter of seconds. Whether you're at home, visiting family, or embarking on a vacation, this Playard is your go-to solution. It's compact, lightweight, and comes with a convenient travel bag, making it the perfect companion for families on the go. But the convenience doesn't stop there. The 4Moms Breeze Plus is a 3-in-1 care station, featuring a removable bassinet and baby changing station. Need to change a diaper or outfit? No problem. Just flip down the changer for quick and easy access. And when it's nap time or playtime, the comfortable bassinet provides a cozy spot for your little one to rest or play. Plus, the mesh sides allow for optimal airflow and visibility, so you can always keep an eye on your baby. To recap, the 4Moms Breeze Plus Portable Playard is the ultimate solution for busy parents. Its easy one-handed setup, versatile design, and durable construction make it a must-have for any nursery or travel adventure. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more reviews of top-rated products. Until next time, happy parenting.